You know, I used to do a lot of backpacking and tent camping stuff. Over the years, I tried to do more van camping, now even the trailer. I've been spending a lot of time the last year or two thinking I may need to get back into that. If for no other reason than peace and quiet and solitude in nature. It is so exceptionally hard to find that anymore. We were just talking earlier, Melanie and I, about Quartzsite. We did a live stream, talked about Pahrump and Quartzsite. One of the things we did not mention about Quartzsite, the potential downsides, is the stinking noise. It is so loud around there. If you're anywhere near I-10, you can hear traffic noise from the interstate. If you're anywhere near 95, you can hear noise from that all the time. It's just as noisy. I'm in Gillette, Wyoming right now. It's a small city. It is noisy, noisy, noisy for a small city. So we're in a nature preserve, trying to enjoy watching some ducks and watching the cottonwoods rustle and the wind and everything. And just the truck traffic is insane. And the loud vehicles. So I don't know. It's just a rant, I guess. But I am. It's something I've been reflecting on the last few years is the just the assault on our senses all the time. You stop to get gas, and you get this thing. You swipe your card, and you got the gas pump starts blaring at you with a commercial, and they've got music blaring on the overheads. When you go to the store and try and get groceries, and the music blaring on the over the speakers. And you try to go to a park, and it's just noise. And you try to go out in the wilderness, and you might be feel like you're a long ways from anything, and somebody's roaring by on an ATV or a side by side or whatever. So it's really getting hard to find true deep solitude anymore, and quiet and silence. And so I don't know. I may have to go back to doing more things where I just hike to where it's hard for people to get, and there's no roads, and so I can enjoy some solitude, except for the occasional airplane probably that flies overhead. I don't know. What's your experience? You've run into some similar things, or do you have some secret places, good and quiet, you want to tell me about? All right. Let me know what you think, guys. Thanks.